Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Treasure. Mic check. Mic check. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, everybody.
My name is Treasure.
My name is Treasure.
I'm a City College of San Francisco student. Let's start at 4. My sons and my daughters go to Rosa Park Elementary School.
My sons and daughters go to Rosa Park Elementary School.
The reason I joined the Occupy movement, I'm tired of listening to the teacher telling me that there's no funding for them to help our students. Every time I go to the school, they have a limit, they cut the budget, they limited the janitorial services. And my daughter's school, they have a cleaning personnel comes once every 3 months.
My daughter's school, the cleaning personnel.
I have listened to my teacher, my son teacher. Telling me that sometimes it's difficult for her to help the students in the class because it's only her in the classroom. That's why I have joined the movement to help my son teacher, help the school, help my school, City College, and help all the students who go into school that will be able to receive some funding of restoring West the city onto us. Yeah.